Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knitcrate yarn, and it's $24.99 per month. If you'd like to sign up under me, then you can put in the promo code JEWEL20 and you can get 20% off your first month. And you get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet with patterns in it for knitting and for crocheting. This is the website here, and I'm going to pick the winner. Thank you everybody for subscribing and participating. This one is for the green Knitcrate yarn that I showed a couple of weeks ago. So congratulations to Maybelle Myers. All you need to do is go down below in the description, find my email, and then email me with your information so I can send it out to you. And thank you everybody for subscribing, participating. Look out for new giveaways that are coming out. I will have some more in the future. I have another one coming out in about another week. I will pick a winner for the other Knitcrate yarn, which was the blue one. Okay, so thank you for watching.